Let me, hold on. I'm gonna try to walk to the front. Let me shut this door. Yeah. Hold on. Oh. I'm gonna try to walk out to the road. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Language. Yeah, oh Lord, it's cold. There's my car. Can't get water out of there. That's the road. There's the road. They're not gonna start plowing anytime soon. Oh God, it's cold. Okay. I'm not jealous at all. I hate it. Nothing to do. I mean, I got my lawn. I got cleaning to do. Cleaning day. Look at this. Look at this avalanche of snow just hanging out. I hate snow because I don't do nothing when it snows. And most of the time, I have to work and have to drive in it. Oh no. Like a snowman, no. No, I just came out here to show all y'all the lovely snow. That's horrible. Oh my goodness. Temperature is freezing, of course. No one's outside. Who am I gonna play with? Who am I gonna play with? The kids hate it. I have no one to play with. I'm not gonna play with myself. That's not fun at all. Now if my kids, meaning my dogs, like the snow, I'll be throwing snowballs. Sean, where? Where's the people? There's a random leaf blowing. Nobody is out. Everybody's inside. Yeah, it's about 4 inches. Amy cannot get out. There's no cars coming. I just showed you. Like nobody, like it's like Deadsville. Like nobody's gonna go be out in this. Not until I'm not gonna drive in this in my vehicle. I do not have a truck. I do not have an SUV. No, thank you. No, they have a sturdier car than I do. I think they have. Did they have an SUV? I'm not sure. No, you crazy. I ain't risking my life for no play fight. I know, I need gloves. There's no hills. I like sledding. I would sled, but I don't have a sled or there's just no hills. No, I don't like my neighbors. I don't like them. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Do you see that chair up there? That's all of snow. It's ridiculous. I hate it. I hate it. I do have a snow shovel, that's for sure. I need some good gloves. Right? Just shovel my car out, dump it on. Oh my goodness. Love you too, Sean. I'll probably be updating it later because it's cold. I need to get my day started too. I'll try. See y'all. I don't have any gloves on, so I might not. Oh, there's a car. Truck. Alright. Don't have any gloves on, so I'm going inside.